out from my window.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today I'm going to do a living room makeover video. Actually, a lot of you have been requesting. I've got quite a few messages on Instagram from people asking if I could do an updated house tour, and I have not done that since we moved here because I just always feel like I could do more, like I could decorate more, I could get more bits, so I never feel like it's fully finished, but it probably never will feel like that. So I figured I would just share with you what we've done so far, but we love how it looks so far, so I thought I would share with you a few tips on how to get kind of a minimalist boho Scandinavian inspired living room, because that's kind of our home decor style. So let's go ahead and get into the video. I'm really excited for you to see the transformation from the beginning before we got all the furniture. And this part of the video is actually kindly sponsored by Frisson Life. They have such cute boho decor items, and they reached out to me and asked me if I would like to share them with you, and I immediately jumped at it because I just loved everything on their website, and it was only such a hard decision to choose from their website what I like, because I liked everything to be honest. So what I did pick is this cute little cushion. It's like a straw cushion, so it's got that woven type of look. How adorable is this? It definitely ties in really well with my boho decor. I feel like it goes really well with all the kind of rattan items and pampas and everything like that. So my decor items are usually white, beige and brown. That's kind of what I go for, so this ties in perfectly with that. I think sometimes they call them a poof. I think I've seen that on some websites, but yeah, so lovely. It feels like it's quite sturdy as well, so I don't think it will lose shape because it's got those wires inside. So yeah, so cute. I thought it would be really good to use maybe as a footstool if you're sitting down, or if I just want to sit on something around the coffee table, because I do sometimes sit on the floor, especially when I'm playing with Victor. And when he comes back from preschool, I'm pretty sure he's gonna love playing with this. He hasn't seen it yet because I didn't want him to play with it before I filmed this video, but how cute is that? I just really love it, and I think, you know, it kind of completes my home decor. So really, really lovely pieces from Frisson Life. I will leave this linked down below. They actually have quite good prices on their items as well. I would highly recommend them, especially if you like home decor items like these ones. Yes, so you will find the link to this and their general website in the description box below. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started with the makeover video.
You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared. Spend all day in bed. I get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. You don't have to.
Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do before I show you where everything is from is just tidy up all of these toys.
We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. Spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Put your favorite music on all the way baritone.
Okay, so this corner of the living room is pretty much done. So I thought I would kind of walk you through a bit and share with you where everything is from, because I do get quite a lot of questions about random products in every single video. So I thought this would be a good place to kind of combine them all in one. So our sofa is the IKEA Vimley sofa, which you guys probably already know. We love it so much, and it's got a bit of storage area right there, so it's really handy, and I think it looks really lovely as well. And then what's on it? So we've got this cushion. This one is from IKEA as well. This one was from Primark, as well as the chunky knit throw, although I have seen a lot of similar chunky knit throws in different Etsy shops, so I will try to link some down below if I can find them. And then we've got another cushion right there, which was from Homebase. Then this lamp here in the corner is also from Homebase. It was super inexpensive, and I really love the look of it. I feel like it ties in really nicely with the room, and it's kind of nice to have a bit of light there in that corner, because otherwise it's quite dark at night time. And then the frames that we have on the wall, these are all from MAKEOVER. You guys might know I did a video with them in the past, and I just love them. I think it's such a cute kind of wall decoration, so I really love it, and it's monochrome, so I think it goes really nicely in this corner of the living room. Then we've got the Fristen Life cushion, the straw cushion, and I think it's so cute. I love it, and I think it kind of goes really nicely with the kind of boho decor that I have in here. And you guys know I love all the neutrals, so yeah, really love this in here. And then on the coffee table, I also have some of those woven baskets that I really love. So this basket right here is actually a napkin holder from IKEA, but I use it like this, kind of like a little tray. I have it in different spots around the home, and I just really love those. Then the vase here is from Homebase, and then these fake little plants were from Tesco a while back. But they do have kind of fake eucalyptus leaves. I think they have them even now. And then this candle was a while back from Primark, believe it or not. I think it looks way more expensive than it was, but it's so lovely, and I just really love the look of it, and it smells really lovely as well. And then underneath the coffee table, I have this basket, which is also kind of a similar style, and this one was from Tesco, and I just really love it. I have multiple baskets like this around the home as well. And the coffee table was from IKEA too, in case you were wondering. Then the TP tent that we have here is for Victor, obviously, and he loves it so much. It's such a cute little nook for him to read a book or just to kind of chill out a bit after his preschool. So he loves this, and I really like the look of it. As you can see, it's kind of like a boho look, and it's got that mustard color that I really love. So yeah, it's such a cute one. I got this from Etsy as well. I will link this down below as well, but so cute, and it comes with this little bunting thing that I really like. I feel like it ties in really nicely with the TP, and then it's got a cute little dream catcher there, and it comes with 4 cushions. These are the ones, so it's got a star, a moon, a cloud, and then this pom-pom cushion here. So cute. I think you probably can't see, but it's got a pocket right there in the back, so you can put your books in there too, and it's got a little mat so that it's more comfy. And the TV actually also came with this basket right here, so it's really cute and really nice to kind of put stuffed toys and things like that in there.
Why do I make things complicated? Why do I lose all my control? I keep on letting my bad habits make us both come crashing to the floor. Something to save us, close but we're strangers. Feel like we're far apart. I'm stripping down new. I'm stripping down new. I'm stripping down new. This is not what we should be. Start to get the best of me.
Okay, so over on this side is pretty much Victor's toys. So this is kind of how we store them, and I'm gonna walk you through everything. But this this unit right here is called the IKEA Kallax unit, and it's got the white baskets in there. I think these are Brannas or something like that. And then the play kitchen is also IKEA. It's the really famous one that all parents probably know. So yeah, he's got all of his toys in there, and then he's got this rainbow up here that he likes to play with. We've got another one of those napkin holders from IKEA here. I've got this lamp also from IKEA. I think it's such a cute one. It's got kind of like that tripod looking stand, so it's really cute. Then we've got caricature print that this was a wedding gift from some friends. I've got this plant, which this plant is from IKEA, and it just comes like this, but I prefer it to be in a basket like that. The basket is also from IKEA. I think the basket comes in a set of 3 different sized ones, but how cute is that? I think I prefer it like that. Then we've got his money bag here. It doesn't have any money in it, but it's just a really cute one that we got from Funky Laser. It was gifted to us. And then I've got the pampas here, and the vase is from IKEA, and the pampas is from Etsy. And we've got the pampas a while back, and I actually have a few more stamps. I actually brought this downstairs from the bedroom. If you guys have watched that bedroom makeover video, then you know, but I actually need another vase for them because I only have this vase that fits them, so I need to buy another vase, which is why I brought these ones from the bedroom. But once I buy another vase, then I will have, you know, another place to put them. So yeah, I love these. I think they look so lovely, and I hairsprayed them so that they you know, kind of last well. And we've had this pampas for a while, and it still looks amazing to me. And then we've got another one of those baskets from IKEA here. Yeah, so that's this corner of the living room done.
This is not what we should be. Start to get the best of me. I keep on holding things within me. I keep it deep inside myself. I swear to never talk about it until I start, yeah.
And then this side of the living room is obviously the TV unit, and I think pretty much everything here is IKEA. This plant I really love. It's called a dragon tree plant, and both the plant and the basket are from IKEA. These baskets as well, I really love them. I think they fit the space really nicely, and the kind of brown and black details here, I feel like they kind of break up all the white furniture, which I really like. And then this fake plant is IKEA, and then the vase is from Wilko. And then these 2 lanterns that we have down here are also IKEA. I really love these. I think I might actually get some more because I would like to put some in the garden as well. But yeah, they're so cute, and I just really love this this side of the living room as well.
Save us, close but we're strangers. Feel like we're far apart. Strip it down, new. Strip it down, new. Strip it down, new. This is not what we should be. Start to get the best of me.
I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to check out Friesland Life if you like Boho Decor items like this. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and do subscribe if you want more videos like this, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!